Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Looking for a really fun and flirty dress that will help you to have the coolest summer ever? This beautiful dress from Ulatemo is a gorgeous maxi dress that is so comfy and cool, but it's pretty and could be worn to all your summer events. The dress is a sleeveless dress. It's a long maxi style dress, and you can see that it has some ruffling along the bottom skirt of the dress. It also has a V-neck, and it is sewn to keep you nice and covered, but you could adjust the sewing or you could add in a tank top underneath to make it feel a little more modest. I really like that the dress is so cool and comfy. It's long, so you could wear it with cute flat sandals, or you could dress it up with higher heels. The dress is well made. It has a trim all around the neckline and the sleeves. The waist is an elastic, so it's super comfy for those hot days. And on my 5'4" frame, it reaches towards the floor. So you do keep in mind that it is a true maxi dress, but as I mentioned, it is so cool and comfortable. I could easily wear this dress even on the warmest of days, or as it starts to get cooler, you could definitely add on a jacket or a sweater to make this work for you in early fall. The colors and the pattern are so vibrant and fun. I love this blue and peach color on this dress, and I'm super excited to be able to wear this to events I have this summer. If you're looking for a dress that will be comfy but make you feel and look really pretty, then you need to check this one out. But that's just my point of view.